Okay, solving for x in this radical equation. Okay, so first of all, I think I'm going to get this radical alone. So to get that alone, I'm going to have to get that out, and it would make me add 4 to the other side. So now I'm going to square both sides, getting rid of the radical. Okay, so when I square the square root, it gets rid of the radical. But now I have to remember that I'm not just squaring individual terms, I'm squaring a side. The side is a binomial, so it's going to end up being a binomial times a binomial, which would create a FOIL. So x plus 6 equals first times first is x squared. Outsides are 4x, insides are 4x, last is 16. So I'm just going to collect a few terms here. So the 4x's can go together. So when I get to this point, I think, well, if I have x squareds and I have x's, I need to algebraically have 0 on one side. So to do that, I'm going to be subtracting an x, and I'll be subtracting a 6. So over here I need to subtract an x and subtract a 6. Okay, so x squared is still there. This would be plus 7x, and this would be plus 10. So this is a simple trinomial, so I'm thinking, what is going to multiply to 10 and add to 7? So 5 and 2, they're both going to have to be positive. So therefore my solutions are x equals negative 5, and x equals negative 2. So I'm going to go check the solutions. So checking it means plugging it into here. Okay, so I'm going to think, well, what if negative 5 was in the spot for the x? Okay, so this creates a 1, and then the square root of 1 is 1. Is this a true statement? No. It doesn't work. So I'm going to eliminate that as a solution. Okay, now let's check the other one. So I'm going to plug a negative 2 in for the x this time. Okay, so when I do that, let's simplify and see what we get. So negative 2 plus 6 is 4. The root of 4 is 2. Is this a true statement? Yeah, this works. 2 subtract 4 is negative 2. So that solution works.